How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the same WhatsApp number on two different iPhones. That's right, take a look. So I'm going to say here, hi, on this conversation. I'm talking to a person, as you can see right here, and I'm on the same conversation, talking to the same person right here on this other iPhone, and it's all updated instantly and working in sync. Perfect. So let me show you how you can do this on your two iPhones as well right now. Let's go. The process itself is extremely simple. You're gonna get your secondary iPhone, the iPhone that you don't have WhatsApp just yet, and you're gonna need to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, go ahead, open up the App Store and download it. Of course, it's free. It's the most used browser in the world. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and then we're gonna go to this website right here, which is web.whatsapp.com, as you can see right there at the top. Okay, and once you open it up, you're gonna see this screen. But of course, we have a little trick for here. So what we're gonna do is actually tap on the three dots right there at the bottom, and then scroll up until you see a request desktop website. Tap on that option, and kaboom, right there we have. It's gonna take a few seconds to load, as you can see. That's normal, don't worry. But we're gonna see right here a QR code, your typical QR code that you're gonna use to sign in with your primary WhatsApp, just like you use on your computer, your tablet, your Apple Watch, whatever. So then you're gonna go ahead, open up WhatsApp, and then this of course is on your primary iPhone, the iPhone that you have WhatsApp installed and all. And then you're gonna tap on settings on the last option right there, and then linked devices, and then link a device. So it's the exact same process that I'm pretty sure you've done it before, right? And then you're gonna scan that QR code, as you can see right there, move away a little bit if necessary. It's gonna log in. It's just gonna take a few seconds. Again, it's the typical process, and then there you go. Perfect. So let's take a look at this conversation right here, just so you can see that it works absolutely perfect. You can do everything. So listen to for audio messages, as you can see right there.
This is an audio test for a YouTube video.
As you can see, you have GIFs, perfectly working, photos, videos. You can send messages, of course, saying hello, for example, and then it's gonna work the exact same way. It's gonna send. So it's your perfect WhatsApp experience on two iPhones. This is the only way you can do it, and now you know how you can have the exact same WhatsApp number on two iPhones working perfectly for free. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.